Hello, in this video I will show you the process of how to recreate this beautiful BIAB manicure, also known as soap nail or cold dancer. It was the trend for 2025, and now with cold dancer in 2026 we are seeing very similar things. Keep on watching to understand how to recreate the exact same subtle manicure. I am Radina Ignatova. I am educator and founder at Artistic Touch Nail Training Academy and a nail expert. I have prepped my nails and applied flexible base coat, and just behind my hand you see a palette where I have white gel polish mixed with some clear. So the white is the majority and we have little bit more clear. It is not exactly a milky white, it's little bit stronger than a milky white. But you at the same time you don't want it to be too white because it's going to look fake, so we are looking for more subtle effect. So now depending on the nails depending on the nails what you work on, some of them they have more emphasized lunulas, which is the white unkeratinized part onto the nail, which it grows from the nail matrix, what you see me drawing on just now. So with a small detailed brush on my nails you already have it, so I'm just following that. Maybe on some I am making it slightly bigger. It's up to you how big you want to make those, but try to keep it more natural. This is what we are achieving with these trends, soap nails and cold dancer. We are trying to achieve very natural looks. So your Lunula should match on your pointy finger and the ring finger. This is something that quite naturally happens. So I'm going to try and make the same sizes of Lunulas onto my pointy finger and to my ring finger as well. It's just like French. Imagine that you're drawing French but slightly onto the other side. It's not that complicated. Just try not to get it onto the cuticles because then you're going to get lifting. So I am just perfect, trying to get them more perfect, and once I'm happy I am going to cure this. You can do flash cures, it's up to you depending on your work style. Now for the ombre part, which is like a ombre French manicure, we want slightly more stronger white. Again, not too white. You don't want the too opaque white, too pigmented white. Just add a little bit more white to the mixture that you had already onto for the Lunula part. So just draw on something like French. It does not have to be perfect, but get the size right, because now we are going to do the fades. So don't worry if you cannot get the French effect right. You just get the size roughly of how you would want it to be like. I am using an ombre brush, and I have a tissue which you can use a pad, something lint free, where you wiping your brush. It's very important not to drag a lot of product from your brush because you're not going to get a good ombre effect. So your brush must be clean at all times. That's quite important for the ombre look, to get it right and not messy. So I am just dragging it. It's up to you how much you want it to be, how strong. For this specific design you're going to need a sheer pinky BIAB, so something almost see-through, and you can see I am applying a very thin slip layer underneath, and then I am going to build up some thickness like what you would do with normally with BIAB. For this manicure, you don't typically do filing, so make sure that your technique is correct and you get it to the point where you would have no filing at all. It is very important to have a full product control with this technique. Otherwise, if you go and file too much, you might pick up the design that we did underneath. So it's not advisable if this is a manicure that requires slightly more advanced technique, someone who understands how the product works. I am just going to move the product until I am happy and I have a perfect apex positioning. If you're still not confident entirely in your BIAB techniques, I have a masterclass at Artistic Touch Nail Training Academy, link in the description down below, where I am showing how to the technique of no filing at all. I am speaking about heat spikes, allergies. I'm showing you completely full set and also BIAB infills, and you do have a bonus. And you get a lifetime access to all of my courses. So I'm just showing you the nail from the side where I'm going to be looking at it, so you can get an idea how thick I am doing them. Now I am just going to repeat the same process of slip layer and then building the right thickness and placing the correct apex onto all of the nails. In this manicure, you have combination of ombre, you have your Lunula where we draw a half moon onto the cuticle area, and then you have a BIAB build up at the top as well. So it's slightly more advanced. There are a couple of techniques involved and you must get your BIAB application quite well. This manicure can be also in the category of quiet luxury, which it was very trending last year in 2025. So now I am picking up my detail brush and I am slightly dragging the BIAB just where I want it. And I am polymerizing, as you can see, every finger at the time. I'm using a low heat mode just to prevent some heat spikes as well. I'm just repeating the whole process onto all of the nails. And the last step of this manicure is to apply a top coat. I am using a non-wipe gel top coat with a glossy finish to achieve the desired look. And there you have it, a perfect no manicure. You have a combination of couple of techniques. You can call it a soap nails, you can call it cloud dancer, or just a quiet luxury. It is very similar and it goes with all of the trends. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. I am Radina Ignatova, founder and educator at Artistic Touch Nail Training Academy. Thank you so much for watching today.